Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. This is Property Management 101, and today's video will be discussing what a property manager does. If you've not already done so, please watch my disclosure video as well as my why I do this video. And if you found this video helpful and learned something new, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. This video will apply best for anyone that is new to a property manager position. Maybe they own an asset that is considering to manage their asset on their own behalf, or you're just curious what a property manager does from a day-to-day perspective. This video will also apply regardless of the type of asset. It could be a single-family home, could be a multifamily site, high-rise, mid-rise, cottage style, townhome, etc. As well as regardless of the demographic. It could be student housing, senior housing, conventional, affordable, military, etc. Another video will be helpful in addition to this video will be my video titled First Time as a Property Manager, and I will post a link to that in the video description. For those of you that are not sure exactly what I'm meaning when I say a property manager, here's a short breakdown. Typically, a property manager is hired to manage an asset or assets on behalf of an individual owner or an ownership group. This individual can be hired individually or through a property management company. This is also something to consider for individuals that own an asset like a single family home that currently have a third-party management company that they want to bring the management side in-house and manage it themselves. This video will really outline what that day-to-day looks like for those individuals. Property manager does a lot of things throughout the day, so it's going to be really hard to include every single thing that they might deal with, but I have separated it up to 4 different areas that the property manager may deal with different things of their day-to-day. These 4 separate areas are resident-related items, owners and supervisor-related items, admin and operational related items, and last but not least, employees. Number 1, residents. This does include every potential resident, every future resident, every current and past resident. So some of the things a property manager will do on a day-to-day basis is do things like enforcing the lease, touring, signing applications, signing new leases, signing renewals. The second thing a property manager will deal with on a day-to-day basis is dealing with things that are related to the ownership group or owner, or with their supervisors giving them as far as direction. Depending how that company is structured, that property manager may have direct interaction with that owner or ownership group, or you may be receiving that direction from your supervisor. This could be a regional manager or an asset manager or a VP, for example. Some of these things may include you may have periodic meetings with that ownership group to kind of give the performance and updates of what's going on. You may have certain reports that you'll be responsible for that you have to send to that ownership group periodically, as well as it could be site visits are going to be included in that. Maybe that ownership group or a representative for that ownership group will come to the property, walk some units, walk some amenity areas, walk some common grounds, just to kind of see what's been going on, the condition of the property. Now, even if you are an owner that you're managing your asset on your own behalf, you still want to make sure that you're periodically looking at reports to make sure it's performing in line with the strategy and the goals of the asset. Even if it's something you're doing on your own behalf, you're still going to allot some time to ensure that everything is up to par with the strategy of the asset. The third thing to keep in mind that a property manager will be doing on a day-to-day basis is just general related operational as well as administrative items. This could include things like property walks, vacant unit walks, performing and scheduling inspections, budget review, completing end of month process or end of quarter or end of year process, email management, vendor management. Could be all things as well as many other things could be looped into the admin and operational side of the job. And last but not least, employees. If you're a property manager, there's going to be some degree that you're going to have to interact, be responsible for, or follow up with other employees within your company. A few of those things can include things like training, goals, performance reviews, timesheet reviews, hiring, meetings, interviewing. Could be all things that are going to be related to the property manager job that will be part of the day-to-day operation of that job. If you have any questions about this video or any of my videos, feel free to comment. I'll be happy to address them for you. And I hope you found this video helpful and learned something new. If so, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Happy leasing.